Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best CNC router on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Annoytools CNC 3018 PRO CNC Router. Annoytools CNC 3018 PRO is a hybrid CNC router. It can be used with both CNC and laser from Annoytools. Revolutionary CNC mini engraving machine CNC 3018 PRO, based on CNC Core GRBL, is a revolutionary mini engraving machine, specially designed for wood laser engraving, wood router, PCB engraving and engraver D enthusiasts. It will not hurt the material, not burning, not melting, which will make your wood decoration more free and easy. It is not only suitable for any kind of wood, plastic, paper, acrylic and so on, but also suitable for engraving circuit boards, PCB and other non-metal materials. CNC 3018 PRO CNC Router has a powerful control system and is easy to operate. You can download a lot of laser engraving patterns from internet and engrave on any material you need. CNC 3018 PRO CNC Router machine will make your life more beautiful. Gift it to your friends and family or have your personal D project. Number 4. Kronos 3018 Plus CNC Router. The Kronos 3018 Plus CNC Router is the updated one from 3018. It is a CNC 3018 Plus metal frame. Apply any MA17 23rd stepper 52mm spindle CNC wood router PCB milling machine craved on metal machine tool. The Kronos 3018 Plus CNC Router machine is a new generation of CNC metal working machine. It is a CNC machine utilizing any MA23 17th stepper motor with 3 kW spindle motor, 1 kW router motor, and all-metal 304 frame, which can be widely used for milling, engraving, cutting and carving on metal, glass, granite, marble and crystal etc. The Kronos 3018 Plus CNC Router machine is applicable for precision modeling and processing for the current PCB prototype, zero-tolerance model, metal complex and precision machinery manufacturing. Number 3. FEUNGSAKE 4050 CNC Router. FEUNGSAKE 4050 CNC Router, developed by FEUNGSAKE, is a product of high quality and high performance. It is a new type of control system that is loaded with advanced technology to improve the efficiency and precision of processing. It improves the efficiency of the operating interface for end users. We are particularly proud of the fact that our new generation control system will bring you more joy. This product is a high-quality product that helps you to work more efficiently. With the quality first, service first principle, FEUNGSAKE has been providing good and attentive after-sales service to each user. FEUNGSAKE 4050 CNC Precision Wood Carving Machine is the most powerful wood carving machine in the world. It can be used for engraving, laser engraved plaques, laser cut machine engraving, laser engraving machine, auto cutter, router, cutting large picture, digital design, acrylic engraving machine, cutting machine, acrylic engraving machine. At number 2. WAINLUX JL3-20W CNC Router. The WAINLUX JL3-20W CNC Router is an incredibly capable, incredibly efficient tool for all your woodworking needs. From cabinetry to artwork, this WAINLUX router is capable of cutting through any type of wood in any thickness, with precision, speed and ease. To ensure the smoothest, most accurate job possible, the WAINLUX router is designed with patented technology to ensure accuracy, stability and durability. The WAINLUX JL3-20W CNC Router is a CNC router capable of internally milling wood and other materials, controlled by a computer. It is a tool that provides remarkable precision and will provide you with an advantage for years to come. Machine is composed of laser marking head and router machine head. This device is applied to engraving machine, laser engraving, working table, engraving, forging, forming, cutting, engraving, carving, plastic, wood, paper, leather, rubber, bamboo, acrylic and other materials. Number 1. Kronos CNC 3018 Pro CNC Router. The CNC 3018 is a pro router with offline control, CNC Router 3018 Pro with wood router, PCB router machine, and also can carve on metal. It features 6082 aluminum alloy body and 3.2mm metal cutting tool, which is strong and durable for long time working. The metal working kit can be upgraded for you to engrave or carve metal. The software and G-code are open source and can be customized for you to control the CNC router. CNC Router is easy to operate, which is the ideal tool for factory, workshop, school, training center and hobbyists. This 3018 3-axis CNC router is a great DE tool for wood, plastic and aluminum engraving and cutting. It is easy to set up and with the GRBL control, you can use it for milling, carving, engraving, cutting and other woodworking projects. Easy DE with CNC laser engraver. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.